Hello everyone, my name is Krista and today I'm going to be making the pecan sticky buns found on page 971 of our On Cooking textbook. For the mise en place, I have 30 grams of active dry yeast, 60 grams of sugar, 15 milliliters of milk, 163 milliliters of buttermilk, 12 grams of salt, 5 milliliters of vanilla, 6 grams of lemon zest, and 5 milliliters of lemon juice, 36 grams of egg yolks, 480 grams of all-purpose flour, 240 grams of unsalted butter, softened, and then I have a large mixing bowl, a small mixing bowl, and a spatula.
To make the dough, stir the sugar, yeast, and milk together in a small bowl and then set aside. Combine the buttermilk with the lemon juice and lemon zest, the salt, and the vanilla extract. Stir until combined. Then you will want to add it to the yeast mixture. Once added to the yeast mixture, mix them together. In a large bowl, add the flour, egg yolk, softened butter, and the yeast mixture together. Then combine until a dough forms. You want to knead until the butter is evenly distributed and the dough is smooth and elastic. This takes approximately 6 minutes. Then you want to cover and ferment until doubled in size. To make the topping, cream the honey and sugar together. Then add the pecans and stir again. This mixture will be stiff. To make the filling, add the brown sugar, butter, pecans, and cinnamon. Stir until combined. Then take about a tablespoon of the topping and add it into each muffin cup. Then punch the dough down. Roll out the dough into a rectangle about 1/2 inch thick. Then top evenly with the filling. Roll up the filling in the dough. Cut into slices about 1 inch thick. Place a slice into each muffin cup over the topping. Let them double in size, then bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 minutes. Immediately flip the pan over onto a lined baking sheet.
Alright guys, I took the pecan sticky buns out of the oven and let them cool for a little bit. This is the final product and I decided to cut into one of them to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed.